Denise says, when people ask what I do for a living, I sometimes avoid saying permaculture and instead describe it as a designing natural ecosystems with people as part of the system. When I say permaculture designer, people often assume I mean solar panels, off-grid living, bees, or a certain lifestyle image. How do you explain permaculture clearly to people who already have a narrow or confused idea of what it means? Has the word permaculture been overused or misunderstood? And how do you deal with that when introducing the subject? Well, it's a design science, an ethical design science. We're employed by governments, we're employed by multinationals, we're employed by the United Nations. We're engaged by some of the largest aid organisations. I've worked for billionaires. I mean, I don't shrink away from the fact that permaculture covers a lot of bases, of course, but it can be used to design in any form you like. So if you're in a narrow-minded area, there's some sort of perceived misunderstanding there, and you need to just show people a little bit of social media or website promotion where you can see the very large jobs that we've done. I mean, very large, enormous, whole countries, massive landscapes, and extremely expensive project work. It can be any way you want to take it. You don't have to be narrow-minded about what permaculture is. It's raining again. I've got to get one last question in.